2023 Kawasaki Elektrode First Look. The electric-powered balance bike world. Rather than relying on Stacyc and proprietary stickers, Kawasaki enters the electric-powered balance bike world with an all-new bicycle engineered and constructed by Kawasaki. The design is intended to fit a wide range of rider sizes and skill levels, so let's look at the 2023 Kawasaki Elektrode and what it brings to the table. The 2023 Kawasaki Elektrode fits children from 37 to 55 inches tall. This is accomplished via a seat 16.1 inches above the ground in the low position and 21.5 high at the highest setting. The handlebar height is also adjustable, or a different bar can be fitted. Maximum weight is 99 pounds, and Kawasaki says the result is a bicycle intended for riders aged 3 to 8. The 32-pound Elektrode has an aluminum frame. It's a suspension-free design, with the battery integrated into the frame. The fork is steel for improved durability. The Elektrode's 5.1 lithium-ion battery has an estimated runtime of 2.5 hours, and an identical recharging time. Keep in mind that the runtime depends on the rider's weight and how aggressively the bicycle is ridden. The estimated range is 9 miles in normal use. Charging is via a standard home 110-volt outlet. The battery cannot be swapped out. 3 power modes allow parents to select the performance for their children. Low mode keeps the speed down to 4.8 miles per hour, ramping up to 7.2 miles per hour in the mid mode, and high mode delivers a 12.6 miles per hour top speed. The modes are switched on the Elektrode via an LCD screen. The bike can also be ridden with the power off. If you forget to turn the power off, the system power itself down after 10 minutes of non-use. Parents retain control of the Kawasaki Elektrode. The mode buttons are passcode protected, and modes can only be changed with the Elektrode stopped. Utility is enhanced by the 16-inch, pneumatic DuraShod cast aluminum wheels. The large wheels allow the Elektrode to roll over obstacles more effectively, and make it possible to provide a higher seat height to older riders. The Duro knobbies make the Elektrode off-road ready. The rear wheel houses the motor, and has a disc brake attached. The rear 160mm disc exclusively handles braking duties via a mechanically actuated caliper. As much as our young test riders love the Stacyc bikes, it's great to see Kawasaki develop its own electric-powered balance bicycle. The list price of the 2023 Kawasaki Elektrode is $1,099. We don't know when it will hit showroom floors.